Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss a question on fillet weld. Okay, so as we are completed the discussion of welded connections, so now this is a numerical. So in welded connections, as I said, the most important is fillet weld. So 100% you can take it for granted. The question comes from fillet weld itself. So this is the question, obviously the important model. If we see the question, two plates are connected by fillet weld of size 10 mm and subjected to a tension as shown in the figure. The thickness of each plate is 12 mm, and here yield stress and ultimate tensile stress is given. Fy is 250 MPa and Fu is 410 MPa, that is given. The welding is done in workshop. So if welding is done in workshop, then what is the factor of safety we have to take? 1.25, that is also given. Now, as per IS 800 2007, the minimum length of each weld required to transmit the force P. So now is asking the minimum length of each weld. So here the welding is provided on either side. So this is a diagram. This is one plate and this is another plate. These two plates are connected by using a weld on either side. So here the length is L. So if you see in this diagram, this is L. The length on other side, this is also L. The total length is 2L. The total length is 2L. Now he is asking us to find L. Okay, to transmit that load P. That is the question and options are given. So option A 100 mm, B 105 mm, C 110 mm, D 115 mm. So this is the question. Once look into the question, once read the question and think how to solve it, how to do the, or how to find the value of length. Once think. So first take the question and see the diagram and think it how to solve it. So first take the diagram and the question. So if you take the diagram, if you take the question, I'm going to rub this. Okay, so I'm going to rub this question. So let's solve the let's start the solving this numerical. So first let us write the given information. Given. So what are the given information? The size is given. How much? S is equal to 10 mm. And the thickness of the plates is given. It is 12 mm. And gamma MW, how much it is? 1.25. And he's asking us to design or find out that length by using limit state method, IS 800 2007, or limit state method. So now Fy is given. How much? 250 MPa. And Fu is also given. So now what is the strength of the fillet weld? So fillet weld always fails in shear. So the strength is nothing but shear strength. So first let us calculate the shear strength of the fillet weld. Design shear strength of fillet weld. Design shear strength of fillet weld. So VSW. So how much it is? Permissible stress into area. Agree or not? So first let us calculate design shear strength of fillet weld, and after that we'll let us calculate design shear strength of each weld. So here we are having the two fillet welds on both sides. So first calculate the total strength, and if we divide it by 2, then that is the strength of each weld. Yes or no? So VW, how much it is? Permissible stress. Fu by root 3 into 1.25. Why? Because it is mentioned that shop fell. So 1.25 into L effect 2. So that L effect here is 2L into throat thickness TT. Yes or no? Clear. So now to find the throat thickness TT. So throat thickness TT is KS. Yes or no? So as a nothing is mentioned about angle, now take it as 0.7. So 0.7 into 10. How much it is? 7 mm. And Fu is given, root 3 is given. So this is for total weld. But design shear strength of each weld, how much? Okay, design shear strength of each weld. So this formula we have to, so this one we have to do it by 2. So how much it is? So V TSW by 2. So substitute these values and tell me the value. So 410 by root 3 into 1.25 into L. This time we have to take L, not L effect 2. Into TT. How much it is? 7. So simplify it. How much it is? So upon simplifying, so use calcis for simplifying it. So it is 1325.59 L. Agree. 1325.59 L. So here the units, if you observe the units, so it is in mm and it is in mm. And here it is how much? Newton per mm square. Okay, here it is Newton per mm square. So MPa is nothing but 10 power 6 into Newton per meter square. But if we convert into mm square, Newton per mm square. So the unit is Newton. Clear? The unit is Newton here. This is about the design strength. So now this strength is equal to P by 2. Yes or no? So each weld has to take the load of P by 2. So total weld has to take, the total weld has to resist or has to take the total load P. Now each weld has to take P by 2. So if we equate it to P by 2, then we can find the value of L. But here P is also unknown. Then the question is how to find that P. That is the question. So that is the main part in this question. So how to find that P? So if you know P, then this P upon this 1325.59, we are going to get L. But here P is unknown. How to find P? Think everyone. So this, if you listen or if you remember our beginning sessions, bolted connections, then you can tell it. So if you remember it. So once think how to find the value of P here. So if you know value of P, then we can do it very easily. But the question here is, the thing here is, you have to find P. How to find that P? Tell me. So if you observe this, so that this symbol indicates length continues. So the length continues. So from that length to till here, that load P is to be taken by this plate or not, or this member or not. So the load has to be taken by this member. So from this location onward, the weld start taking the load and it transferred to this plate. Yes or no? So in this way, the load P from this plate is transferred to this plate. So in between, the weld will take, but at end and at initial and final, the load P has to be taken by the plate itself. So it means which load it is? Tension load. So by calculating the tensile strength of that plate, we can find out P. You're getting the point or not? So the P from here to here, it has to be taken by the plate itself. After that, the weld start taking the load and it transferred to this member. So in this way, the load is being transferred to one plate or other plate. So now let us calculate the tensile strength of this plate. Okay, tensile strength. So design tensile strength. So design tensile strength of member. So tensile strength. So permissible stress in tension. So from here to here, chances are there for that member to yield. So whenever the structural steel is yielding, then we have to use the stress Fy. That is yield stress. And the factor of safety used is 1.1. This we discussed in the beginning only. Clear? This way are discussed in beginning. So Fy by 1.1. And what is the area that is undergoing shear tension? So this is the area. Like this, the tension force is there. Which area it is? This width 100 into the thickness. So thickness given is 12. So now area here is 100 into 12. So now Fy is 250 given in the question. So now simplify it again. So Fy is 250 and 100 into 12 by 1.1. So this is 272, so 272,727.27 Newton. So this is the total force P. Okay, this is the total force P. So that much of tension force that plate has to take. So now here our weld has to take this much P by 2. So each weld. So now we equate these two here. So by 2. So to get P by 2 by 2. So here I am going to show this. So P by 2. So now 1325.59. L is equal to P by 2. How much P by 2? 272.7. 272.72. Okay, 272.727.2 by 2. So now L is equal to how much? Divide it by 2. So divide it by 2. So upon dividing it by 2, we are going to get 1363.63 by 1325.59. How much it is? 102.87 mm. This is the length. So in the given options, which option is near to it? So near option is 105. So we cannot take 100. Clear? So nearest option is, so 102.87 is nearest to 105 in comparison with 100. Okay, don't get confused. Now option B. So how much it is? 105 mm. So any doubt in this? So very simple question, but you should be aware of the concept. So see here, TT, we have to take KS. So in this way, we have to calculate the design shear strength of the fillet weld. After calculating the total design strength of fillet weld, we have to calculate for each weld. So then that strength should be equal to P by 2. So now to calculate P, here P is not given. So for calculating P, we have to calculate design tensile strength of member, which is equal to yield stress into gross area. So 100 into 12. So in this way, we can calculate P. After calculating P, equate with this. Okay, this to this, then we can calculate L. So this is the question. So 2 marks. So number of times repeated model, important model in fillet weld.